If it is coming for computed filters, if it is coming for computed filters, what we discuss about computed filters? We discuss about some computed filters as okay. Here we have Here we have a we discussed still manual filters like header level filter, data view level filter, and marks card level filter. And we need to see the computed filters, how exactly it works. We know about computed filters, yes. What is computed filter? By making use of filter shelf, if we are filtering the data, then we'll call as computed filters. By making use of filter shelf, if I'm going for here, computed filters, filters, computed computed filters means by making use of filter shelf, by making use of filter shelf, if we are filtering the data, if we are filtering the data, then we will call as computed filters, then we'll call as computed filters. And what are the different types of computed filters? All these things we have. We have first one is dimension filter. First one is dimension filter. And this dimension filter is nothing but once we are applying the filters, once we are applying the filters on dimension filters on dimensions, we will call as dimension filter, we'll call as dimension filters. Once we are applying the filters on dimension, we'll call as dimension filter. Once again, this dimension filter has been separated as two parts. Once again, this dimension filter has been separated as two parts or two types we can call. One is accept date filters, and other one is date filters. Other one is date filters. Other one is date filters. 1 minute. Hello. నీ ఫోన్ తీసుకువెళ్ళి filters, and then we have the date filters are there, guys. We have accept date filters and date filters are there. Accept date filters are nothing but accept dates. That means textual data plus geographical data, plus primary keys, plus primary keys. This all these things we will call as accept date filters. And how exactly we are going to perform this, all these things we will see how exactly we are going to perform. By the help of this, all these things we are going to check. Like this is what Venkat we started, like computed filters only. Okay, like we have the, like by making use of filter shelf, if you are filtering the data, then we'll call as computed filters. In this computed filters, we have two types. One is dimension filter, other one is dimension filter is there. If once again this dimension filter has been separated as two parts, one is accept date filters, other one is date filters. Now we are going to see about accept date filters. Now we are going to see about accept date filters, how we are going to filter the data. How we are going to filter the data. Accept date filters, accept date filters are there. Here in this accept date filters means we have four options. Once again, we have four options are there. Once again, we have four options are there. One is general, and other one is wildcard, other one is condition, other one is top. Condition, other one is top. These are the four things are there. First we need to know about general. By the help of general, we have once again in this we have some options are there, like select from list, select from list, and then custom list, and then we have options like use all, and then you have some other options like all, and you have some other option like none, and you have some other options like exclude. Likewise we have, just think this guys, like suppose in this, just I am going to make you something. I have taken, just think that I have taken regions east, and then we have west, and then we have north. Likewise some fields are there. If I, whatever the fields I want, I can select here. I can checkbox will be there here guys. Based on the checkbox we can assign some thing. Based on the checkbox we have some checkbox will be there. Here for east one checkbox will be there. For west we have one checkbox will be there. For west we have one checkbox will be there. For north we have one checkbox will be there. Select from list means I can click on the checkbox so that it is going to give the results for us. I can checkbox that and then it will give the results for us. Else custom value list means manually we are going to give the entering the value. Entering the value means whatever the string function will be there, string field, just we are going to enter that one. East means then it is going to highlight the east. Use all means it is going to use all the fields. Use all means it is going to use all the fields. And all also it's going to use all the fields, as well as none is there. None means we are not going to select any field. Exclude means whatever we are selecting the field, if we need to exclude that fields, we can exclude by the help of exclude option. And remaining fields it is going to highlight at visualization level. But here we need to know only two things. One is what is the difference between use all and all, because both the functionality it is going to select both the things. Like it is going to select all fields only. But what exactly means, by making use of use all function, by the help of use all, by the help of use all function, we can select all the fields. We can select all the fields. After selection, every field is in hide mode. Every field is in hide mode. Hide mode. That means it is not going to show what are the fields you have selected. It will select all, but it is not going to showcase what are the fields we have selected. But same thing if it is coming for if it is coming for all function. If it is coming for all means it will select all the fields. It will select all the fields, and it will highlight and it will highlight the highlights and it will highlight the fields after selection also. There it is going to be hide. Here it's going to be always in highlight mode itself. That is only the difference between use all and all function. Likewise, just we are going to make use of general option guys. Likewise, just we are going to make use of general. And then we have wildcard. Wildcard is nothing but such option. Wildcard is nothing but such option. Like wildcard. It's nothing but such option where we are going to find the results in the dimensions. Wildcard, it's nothing but such option, such option where we'll get some results, where we will get the results, where we'll get the results, where we are going to get the results. And then what exactly wildcard consists of? It has two things. One is include, other one is exclude. One is include, other one is exclude. We have two things are there, include and exclude. If it is coming for include, once again it having some subfields are there, like starts with is 1 in include. In starts with is 1. We have starts with is 1 and then ends with and then exactly matches and contains. These are the 4 fields are there. Contains. These are the 4 fields are there in include. Starts with, ends with, exactly matches and contains. If it is coming for exclude, If it is coming for exclude, we have once again 4 fields are there. It's quite opposite to include. Yes, does not starts with, does not starts with, does not starts with, that is one we have, does not starts with, and then it does not ends with, does not ends with, ends with, and then does not contains, does not contains, does not contains, and does not exactly matches, does not exactly matches, exactly matches. These are the 4 options which we have, guys. Exclude is nothing but it's quite opposite to include, and include consists of starts with, ends with, exactly matches, and contains, and exclude consists of does not starts with, does not ends with, does not contains, and does not exactly matches. Starts with means, suppose just think, guys, I have some names, I have some names are there, like suppose here I have some names like Anil, and then we have Sunil, and we have Suman, and we have Sudhir, and we have Vamsi and Sesi. These are the names are there, guys. Just think that these are the names, customer names. Just think that customer only. But what I want means actually here by starts with A. Starts with A if I am going to give, then it is going to highlight only Anil. Then it's going to highlight only Anil. I am going to give ends with L. I am going to give ends with L. Then it is going to highlight only Anil and Sunil. Then I am going to give exactly matches. Exactly matches means it need to match the overall name. It need to match the overall name. Then I am giving Anil. Then it is going to highlight only Anil. It need to match exactly. Contains. In their name contains A. Contains A. It is highlighting the Anil. It is highlighting the Suman, it's highlighting the Vamsi, it is highlighting the Sesi, because wherever they have the name A, then it is going to highlight. Wherever they have the name A, then it is going to highlight, guys. Likewise, just it is going to make use and we will get the results. Then we are going to make use and we will get the results how we can make use, guys. Likewise, just we are going to make use of all these things to get the specific result. To get the specific results, we will make use of this field. And then here it should be quite, whatever we have remaining field are there, it's quite opposite to include. Yes, I am going to give starts, does not starts with A. I am going to give does not starts with A. Then whenever you are going to give does not starts with A means, what is the result we are going to get? Except Anil, each and every field it is going to showcase. Except Anil, it is going to show the each and every field it is going to show us. Except Anil, it is going to show every field, whatever we have the fields are there, it is going to show every field. That means does not starts with A. Then it will highlight the Sunil, then it will highlight the Suman, then it highlights the, then it's highlight the Sudhir, then it's highlight the Vamsi, then it's highlight the Sesi. But I am going to give does not ends with L. Does not ends with L means except Anil and Sunil it is going to highlight everything. And does not ends with, does not ends with L. Okay, we got Sunil and this all these things will get. Does not contains A. Does not contains A. Then it is highlighting Sunil and Sudhir. Just it is going to highlight that specific 2 fields only, and does not exactly matches. If I am going to give Anil, here we have given exactly matches Anil. If I am going to give does not match with Anil means except Anil, it is going to highlight remaining all the fields. Wildcard is nothing but that's the reason we are going to call as it's a search option for finding the results, guys. And then we have condition, and then we have the condition is there, and then we have condition. This condition and top is important, guys. Most of the cases we are going to make use of condition and top, because here somewhat some logic will be there. Condition and top. In this condition, once again we have 3 options are there. In this condition, once again, clarity unda if you have this font. Okay. And we have the condition is there. In condition we have 3 things are there. One is none, other one is by field, other one is by formula, other one is by formula. These are the three things are there. None, by field and by formula. By field and by formula. None means here we are not applying any condition, guys. Here we are not applying any condition, applying any conditions. We are not applying any condition here. Condition here. We are not applying any condition here. By field means here we are applying, here we are applying, single condition evaluation. Single condition evaluation. Single condition evaluation we are going to apply at by field. By formula means here we can apply, here we can apply, here we can apply, here we can apply multiple condition evaluation. Multiple condition evaluation. Here we can apply multiple condition evaluation. Here we are going to apply the multiple condition evaluation. Here we have some three things are there. None means we are not going to apply any condition. By field means we can apply single condition evaluation. By formula means we can apply multiple condition evaluation. In by field we have some operators are there. We have some operators are there like less than, comma, greater, like greater than that one. Less than, comma, less than or equal to, less than or, oh my god, we have comma, less than or equal to, comma, greater than or equal to, comma, not equal to, the symbol is not equal to, comma, equal to. Likewise, we have some operators are there. Like customer sales value is greater than 10,000, I need to see the results. That customers only. Then we want some condition. But any one condition only it is going to apply. I want to see whoever customer sale value is greater than 10,000 and profit is greater than 5,000. I cannot see by the help of by field. It should be any one condition only. You can apply sales or you can apply the profit. Any single condition only we can apply. If we need to go for multiple condition, then we need to go for by formula. If we need to go for multiple condition, then we need to go for by formula, guys. And then once again we have here we can apply multiple condition. This concept we'll see. This concept we will see after completion of after completion of calculations, guys, because we have a part which is known as more logical part, calculation. Once we know about some basic calculation, then we can see the by formula. We will see the by field. We will see the by formula once we know something about the calculations. What are the different types of calculations we have, different functions we have. And same likewise we have one more thing which is known as top. Yes, we have top. In this top also we have three options. None, other one is by field, other one is by formula. Here also we have three things are there. None, by field, by formula. And none is nothing but here also we are not applying any condition. We are not applying any condition, applying any conditions, guys. We are not applying any condition here. By field is nothing but we are applying single condition evaluation, single condition evaluation, and this thing should be, that single condition should be either in the form of top is one thing, either in the form of bottom, either top or bottom. If I want top 10 customers based on some sale, I will get. If I want bottom 10 customers based on some sale, I will get. But if we want top and bottom customers, we will not get by the help of by field. Any one condition only it is going to be satisfied. It is not going to satisfy all the condition. And then by formula. Here we can apply. Here we can apply multiple condition evaluation. Here we can apply multiple condition evaluation. Here we can apply multiple condition evaluation. Here we are going to apply the multiple condition evaluation to get the results. This is what exactly about the except date filters, guys. This is what exactly how we can make use of except date filters. We'll see practically how to implement this, all these things, whatever we discuss here. And then if I'm going to open the Tableau, here whatever we have, guys, suppose if I am going to take subcategory and sales, I have subcategory and sales. What we need to do, we are doing the dimension filter. That's also except date filters. Then drag the subcategory into filter shelf. Drag the subcategory into filter shelf. It is going to open with 4 options: general, wildcard, condition, top. Then in general, what are the options we have? Select from list, custom list, use all, none, exclude. These are the options what we have. Select from list means, none means we are not selecting any field. Here select from list means I can select whatever the fields I want. And then click on apply. Just it is going to keep the selected fields only. Click on apply, then it keeps the whatever the selected fields. But same thing, whatever I have selected, I am going to click on exclude. That means it will exclude that fields and it will keep the remaining all the fields. It will keep remaining all the fields. I am going to uncheck this, and then custom value I am going to make as none. I am going for custom value list. You need to enter manually. I am going to enter the art. Then I got the art. Then select that art. Then click on apply. Then click on apply. Now it is going to highlight only that particular art only. Then if it is coming for once again back, use all. By the help of use all function, it is going to select all the fields, but it's in hide mode. We cannot see the fields what you have selected inside the fields. Then click on apply. Then here it is highlighting all the 17 because we have 17 subcategories are there. It is highlighting, but it is not going to showcase for us. And then coming for select from list once again, by the help of all, it is selecting all the 70. Click on apply. It's giving the result as 17 only. But what is showing?
Sir, if you are,
yes, Mankan.
If you are selecting use all, if you are selecting use all, and if you are say from the select from list, if you are excluding 4,
okay,
and if you are selecting use all,
okay,
so will it be showing the excluded one, or it will show all the data?
It is going to show all the data.
Okay.
And here whatever we have the fields are there. I'm going to, like, all means it is selecting all, but if you apply, it is giving the results, but it's in highlight mode. This is how we are going to make use of general, guys. Just we are going to get to know here whatever the options, we need to understand what is the use of that option to get the specific results. And then we have the wildcard, and then we have the wildcard. I'm going to drag the customer name, and I have the sales. I'm going to drag the customer name into filter shelf. Here we have overall 793 customers are there. Go for wildcard. Here contains A. In their name, wherever they have A, how many customers having the A in their name? Then click on apply. We have 793 total. Then click on apply. 623 customers having in their name consist of A. Starts with A. Starts with A. Click on apply. We don't have any customer starts with A. Why? Because it's case sensitive. Because it's case sensitive. Then give the capital A. Then click on apply. Now we have 64 customers are there. Whoever starting with capital A. Whoever starting with capital A ends with capital A. Then click on apply. We have only one customer is there. Whoever ending with capital A. If we need to see, like just one. If you need to see means, just if I'm going to have, make a center view, guys. Here you can see sample company A. Here you can see sample company A will be there. And once again standard. And then here if I'm going for, double click on this, I am going for wildcard. And then exactly matches. Exactly matches means, suppose if I'm going to give starts with A only, in this I will find any one name. We have so many names are there. Alex Avila is there. Just if I'm going for Alex, oh my god, Alex Avila, can we get the name? Now click on apply. We are not going to get. Why means here also it should be capital letter. Here also it will be capital A. Then now we will get the day. Apply. We are going to get the results, because all these things are case sensitive, guys. And then exactly matches means it need to match the overall name. Then only it will give the results. Else it is not going to give the results for us. Then only it will give the results. Else it is not going to give the results. Now go for, I'm going to clear all. If I'm going for exclude. Exclude means does not match with this. We have 793 customers, but we will get the output as 792 because it is not going to match. Here, oh my God, we cleared that, no? Okay, here we have Alex, Alex Avila does not match with Alex Avila. Then click on apply. Then click on OK. How many we got? 792. Except that it is going to give the all the things. Does not ends with. I'm going to give does not ends with yes. If I'm going to apply, we have only 706 customer whoever not ending with yes and does not starts with A, capital A. Then apply, we have only 729 customers are there whoever not starting with capital A. Does not contains A. Does not contains A. Then click on apply. We have only 170 customers are there whoever they don't have the A in their letter small a. They have the capital A is there, but they don't have the small a anywhere in the their overall name. Likewise, just we are going to make use of wildcard, guys. Just it's a search option itself. We are not going to find anything. Just we are going to find some results to get how exactly it can make use, guys. And then we have the condition. And then we have the condition. Condition is nothing but we have none, by field, by formula. We have none, by field and by formula will be there. In none means we are not applying any condition. Suppose just think that I am going to drag the customer name, guys. I am going to drag the customer name and I have the sales. I have the sales. But here we have n number of sale value is there. But client is asking that whoever the customer sale value is greater than 10,000, show that particular customers only. On such time, it's a single condition. They ask whoever sale value is greater than 10,000. Then I'm going to drag the customer name into filters, going for condition, none means no condition. Going for by field and I'm going to take the sales sum and here you can use the greater than. I'm going to give the value as 10,000. I'm going to give the value as 10,000. Now this load is nothing but it is going to give the minimum to maximum value. This load is giving that in data source what is the minimum value, in data source what is the maximum value it is going to give for each and every customer. And then click on apply. Then click on OK. How many customers are there? Only 20 customers are there whoever sale value is greater than 10,000, but we have 793 customers are there. And then I am going for condition. You can go for less than. Apply. We have 773 customers are there. It's going to give and then equal to. I don't know anyone will be there. Click on apply. We don't have any customer equal to 10,000 and then less than or equal to not equal to. Not equal to 10,000 means yeah, all the 793 customers are not equal to 10,000. Likewise, just we are going to apply single condition evaluation by the help of by field, guys. And then we have by formula we'll see afterwards. We know some basic logic. How means just think that I have here profits also. I have here profits also. But client is just one example. I will show. I will tell afterwards also. How exactly it will come means condition by formula. What I want, sum of sales are greater than 10,000. Sum of sales are greater than 10,000. And we have an operator and operator and sum of profits are sum of profit are, oh my God, sum of profits greater than 3,000. That means it need to satisfy both the condition. Then only it is going to give the results for us. Then only it is going to give the results for us. Then click on apply. Bad character. Then remove here. Then click on apply. Expected closing parenthesis. Click on OK. ఇక్కడ ikkadega. Click on apply, then click on OK. Then it's giving the both the condition, guys. Then it's giving the both the condition. If it is satisfying both the conditions, sale value is greater than 10 as well as profit is greater than 3000. That type of cases we have n number of use cases are there. We're going to see whenever we are discussing about some basic calculation. And then coming back to whatever we have the top option, customer name, and I have the sales, and then drag the customer name into filter shelf and go for top. And I want top 10 customers based on sales sum. I'm going to click on apply, click on OK. We'll get the top 10. If I'm going to drag once again customer name here, if I'm going to select top, if I'm going to select bottom, can we keep both the things? We cannot keep both the things. Any one only. Click on apply. It will give only bottom 10 customer results, because we cannot place in a single sheet both top and bottom, but we can place by the help of some other options are there. Here, if I want to get the top results, we can get. If we want to get the bottom results, we'll get. Here also sales sum you want based on whatever they measure, and you can select either aggregation, sum, average, median, count distinct, minimum, maximum. Likewise, we can make use of n number of things to get the results. This is how exactly we are going to make use of accept date filters, guys. This is how we are going to make use of accept date filters, and we are going to discuss the date filters and measure filters in the tomorrow class, guys, because I have 8 o'clock also another class, but tomorrow it will start from sharp 7 itself, because one of my brothers has came from home. Okay, like just I will send the recording session Irfan, like whatever we asked I send it some. I will forward you today some other things, like do you have any doubts in this class, guys?
That's one just I have for a request. Please forward me the recording. Actually, today I have off day, so I was thinking to cover up the all classes. So just I sit at home, so do nothing.
For sure,
You know.
for sure I
Yeah,
will
so
forward.
please, I really appreciate if you send me the recording so I can cover up.
Yes,
I'm way behind than other
now
people.
itself I will forward it from. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thanks for your time. Please, tomorrow 7 itself. You don't need to wait. We can join. Venkat sir, you also join at 7, sir. Okay, because today it started. I sent you mail also 7 at 7:20. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Oh my God.